Welcome to Crafts for Kindness. I'm Elena, and today we will be making these enrichment items to donate to your local animal shelter or to give to a four-legged friend. Let's get started.
For the catnip toy, you will need a small sock, cotton balls, and catnip. For the crinkle toy, you will need a tube sock or ankle sock and a clean, dry soda bottle. For the tug toy, you will need an old hand or bath towel and scissors or a rotary cutter and mat.
To make this cat toy, start by loosely filling a small sock with cotton balls. You'll want to fill it about 1/4 full. Next, put a couple pinches of catnip in the sock. Work it around so it's all over the cotton balls. Now you'll tie the sock shut with a good overhand knot. And you're done. This toy can provide hours of fun for a shelter cat. To make this dog toy, you will start by peeling the wrapper off the bottle. Then, remove the lid. Next, you'll crumple up the bottle. Put the bottle in the sock and tie a good knot. And you're done. Dogs love to chew and crinkle this toy.
Cut your towel into 2-inch strips.
Take 3 strips and tie them together with an overhand knot. Pull the knot as tight as you can. Braid your strips into a tight braid. Stop with a few inches left. Tie an overhand knot and pull tight. Now that you are done, you can make a bunch of these toys to donate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and spread some kindness, like, and confetti. Bye!